Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Audi R8 in Need for Speed Carbon. It's important to know that this car is officially called the Audi Le Mans Quattro in the game. While it's a fantastic vehicle, its availability, especially in career mode, comes with some unique conditions. To unlock the Audi Le Mans Quattro for Quick Race, you must first complete the game's main career storyline. This involves conquering territories and defeating rival crews. Your ultimate goal is to challenge and defeat Darius, the final boss. Once he is beaten, the car becomes accessible in your quick race options. Unfortunately, using the Audi Le Mans Quattro in career mode is not straightforward. For most players, it remains locked out of career progression and customization. Some versions, like the Collector's Edition, may allow career use after achieving 100% game completion, but this is a rare exception. If you're determined to drive the Audi Le Mans Quattro in career mode, some players explore unofficial methods. This includes using save file editors or installing community-made modifications. Be aware that these approaches are not officially supported, and their functionality can differ depending on your game version and platform.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.